Is that a cool tire? You like that tire? Is that a cool tire? Huh? Now look at those tires over there. Look at all those tires. Go look at some more tires. Yeah, she loves tires. Tires. Go over there. Look at some more tires. Ooh, look at that, huh? Look at this tire over here. Look. Look at all the tires. Look at the tires. Tires. You like those tires? Are those your favorites? It's over here. Come over here. Look, Tegan, over here. Tires over here. Look at these tires. Huh? You like the tires? Yeah, come over here. Look at the tires down here. Look at these big tires over here. Look at these tires. Look at these big tires. Wow, look at all the tires. Oh, look at all the tires. Lots of tires. Over here, come over here. Look at the tires. These your favorite tires right there? Say hi.
Hi.
Say tires. You got big tires and little tires.
Hi.
They all smell the same? Huh? Wow, look at all the tires. Look at that. Say, look at that.
Hi.
Look at that. Tire, that's a tire. That's a tire. Yeah, that's a tire. You like those tires? Don't bite the tires, just smell the tires and touch the tires. Right? We don't bite tires, right? Yeah, you smell them and you touch them. Yeah, big tires. Go down there, there's big tires down here. Look at these big tires. Over here. Come here, I'll show you. Over here, come here, over here. Look at these tires over here, over here. Look at these big tires. Look at those tires. Look at the big truck tires. Big truck tires. Big truck tires. Yeah, well, look at these big truck tires. Right here, Tegan, look at the big truck tires. Big truck tires. Wow, huh? What do you think? You love the tires? Say bye-bye, tires. Wave bye-bye, tires. Say bye-bye, tires. Oh, you love your tires. No bite, just touch and smell. All right, where are we going now? Look at that. Look at that. Come over here, look at these tires over here. Come look at these tires over here, look. Look at the big aisle. Look at the tires, look at them, all of them, huh? Cool tires. You love tires, huh? Look, you can stand in it. You're so cute with tires. You love tires.